Hey guys, so a nice short little video here with a cheeky little algebraic probability question. So, a bag contains n beads. One bead is black and the rest are white. So, let's turn that first of all into algebra. So, we've got n beads. We've got one black bead, and then we're told that the rest of the beads are white. So how do we express that algebraically? Well, we know there are n beads in the bag in total. One is black, the rest are white. So n minus 1 are white. So we're told that 2 beads are picked out of the bag at random without replacement. We want to show that the probability both beads are white is n minus 2 over n. So what's the probability then, first of all, of picking out a white bead? Well, first of all, let's change colour. The probability of picking a white bead out, first of all, well, there are n minus 1 white beads out of n beads in total. So if the first bead we pick out is white, then for the second selection there are n minus 2 white beads in the bag, so one less than n minus 1 is n minus 2, and there are one less beads in the bag in total. So 1 less than n is n minus 1. So that first fraction there is the probability that the first bead is white, and then the second fraction is the probability that if we pick the white bead, then this is the probability that the second bead is white. So with successive events, you multiply the probabilities together. So here we're doing n minus 1 over n times n minus 2 over n minus 1. So we will get n minus 1 times n minus 2 over n times n minus 1. And then, quite happily, we have a common factor of n minus 1 on the top and on the bottom, which leaves us with n minus 2 over n as we wanted it. QED, quite enough done. We've shown what we need to show. Okay, and then for part 2, we are told that the probability that both beads are white is greater than 0.9. We want to work out the least possible value of n. So this thing that we've just worked out algebraically, n minus 2 over n, we are told that that is greater than 0.9. So we've got a cheeky little inequality going on here. So we want to get n on its own. First thing we would do here is multiply both sides by n. So we would get n minus 2 is greater than 0.9 n. The next thing we can do is add 2 to both sides. So we get n is greater than 0.9 n plus 2. We then want to get the n's on the same side. So I'm going to take away 0.9n, which is going to leave me with 0.1, n is greater than 2. And then finally, I don't want 0.1 of an n. Remember, n has to be a whole number because it's a number of beads. So, to turn 0.1 into 1, we multiply both sides by 10. So I get n is strictly greater than 20. So this tells me the number of beads in the bag has to be greater than 20. So the least number of beads in the bag is 21. Okay guys, jobs again for that question. Hope you found it useful. Cheers and gone.